Be sure to read and fully understand this document before installing and operating your Stazz product. Failure to do so can result in item failure, property damage, or serious injury. Item failure, injury, or property damage due to improper installation is not covered by warranty. Step 1. Find the middle of your cabinet and also ensure the width of your cabinet meets the minimum requirements for your product. Position the trouser rack. Place the trouser rack flush against the top panel inside the cabinet, ensuring it is both centered and aligned. You may choose to remove the track from the assembly. Simply push down the locking mechanisms on both sides and remove the track. Ensure that the front plate of the track is 50 millimeters from the front edge of your cabinet. Using the provided flathead screws, fasten the trousers rack into place. Now align the front of the assembly back onto the track and push the assembly forward until it clicks into place. Pull the assembly back out and inwards to flush and properly align the track and the assembly. Cover each screw plate with a plastic cover for a clean finish. You are now ready to install your articles of clothing.